Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef. She got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make black-eyed peas. There's two parts to this video. The first part is how to prepare your black-eyed peas before cooking them. So I have a 1 pound bag of black-eyed peas. We're going to open them and we're going to put them onto this plate. Once you have your peas onto the plate, you want to sift through them. And all we're going to do is remove any broken peas or discolored peas. And also you're going to see if there's any rocks in there also. You want to remove them. Okay guys, once you're done, we're going to place our peas into a bowl and we're going to rinse them off in cold water. Once you're done, we're going to fill our bowl up with cold water, enough to cover the peas. Once you're done, we're going to place our lid nice and tight over top of our bowl and we're going to place it in our refrigerator overnight for 8 hours. Okay guys, it's a little over 8 hours and I have my black-eyed peas here. So the rest of the ingredients we're going to need are water, chicken bouillon powder, ground black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, sea salt, beef kilbasa, garlic cloves, onion, and salted butter. Okay guys, so I have all my ingredients measured out. So we need 4 cups of water, 1 stick of salted butter, 12-ounce package of beef kilbasa, or you can use the meat of your choice, a 1 pound bag of black-eyed peas, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, and I have 1 onion diced. So now all I'm going to do is add my chicken bouillon powder to the water, and all we're going to do is mix it until it's well combined. In a saucepan over medium-low heat, I'm going to add my stick of butter, and I'm just going to let that melt. Once your butter has melted, we're going to add in our onion, and we're going to saute that for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic. And we're going to saute that for 1 minute. Now you want to begin to add in your beef kilbasa. We're going to let that saute and with the onion and garlic for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay guys, now you want to turn off your heat and you want to set it to the side. It smells so amazing. Okay guys, now in your slow cooker, you want to go ahead and add your black-eyed peas. Next, we're going to add in our kilbasa, onion, and minced garlic mixture. Now you want to give that a mix. Now add your 4 cups of chicken broth. You can go ahead and mix that. I'm going to add in my garlic powder, my ground black pepper, my sea salt, and also my onion powder. And we're just going to mix that until it's well combined. Now we're going to place our lid over top. And we're going to put it on high for 4 hours. Okay guys, so our 4 hours is up. And this is what our black-eyed peas look like. They smell so good. So what I'm going to do now, I have a slotted spoon. I'm just going to take about 3 spoonfuls of the black-eyed peas out and place them into a bowl. Now all you want to do with a fork, just go ahead and mash them. And this is going to thicken when we put it back into our slow cooker. It will thicken our black-eyed peas up. Okay, all I'm going to do now is put it back into our slow cooker. Okay guys, now all I'm doing is mixing it in, and as you can see, it's starting to thicken. Okay guys, so here we have it. Our slow cooker black-eyed peas. They have so much flavor to them. They're delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.